Welcome to Papa Bear's Peppers, and I'm Harold. As you can see, I'm getting ready for Independence Day here, and I'll tell you what we're doing. Got with my guy Scott Ostrander from Nectar For The Gods, and he said, you know what, let's do a giveaway today. Let's do a giveaway for Independence Day. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll tell you what, man, I am amped right now because there's so many cool things going on right now with Nectar For The Gods. You're going to see a post about this little tool right here. And this is an alkaline ppm tester. And I tell you what, if you're a no-till guy, or you're a nectar guy, you're a bone grown guy, this is going to change the way you grow. No kidding, folks. I'm telling you, I'm stoked. There's a video over there on ocgfam.com and YouTube. Oh my. My mind is blown. I'm wrapping my head around it so I can bring it to all of you out there, folks. It's crazy. So here's what's going on. You can see me surrounded by my nectar products. I got right here, I got my one shot and these gauges. You can get these off of ocgfam.com, Oregon's Constant Gardener. And if you use my promo code Papa Bear 20, you can get 20% off of that. Got my Herculean harvest here. Oh yeah, and I got this right here, folks. What I got right here is a free sample kit for one of you out there. All you need to do is like, subscribe, and comment down there in the block. You gotta be a subscriber. You like and you comment. I'm going to use a random comment selector on 4th of July, folks. On 4th of July, I'm going to pick a winner. And this is going to be coming to you. A little Independence Day celebration going on here, courtesy of Scott Ostrander out there at Nectar For The Gods, OCG Fam, Oregon's Constant Gardener. Folks, become a bone-grown person. Man, I'll tell you what, the wave's coming. You're about to learn some things. Whether you're a no-till grower, bone grown, the information that's coming down the pipe right now is incredible. Nowhere, you go ahead and you go to any place, and you're not going to find a place that gives you so much information on how to grow as you will find right here at Nectar For The Gods. Folks, I'm telling you right now, he's nothing but a wealth of information. They spread that wealth amongst us as growers out there so we can become better growers. Here's coming soon is another little thing that I'm going to be doing with David. And we're going to get together and I'm going to put together where we're doing a one-on-one talking about what is the importance of your pH. What is the importance of calcium in your plant's growth? Why we have walked away from NPK. Because I tell you what, the information I'm going to be shooting your way, the stuff that David and I are going to talk about, the information that Scott's pouring out, it's all about the calcium-based growing system that we're doing out here with the Nectar For The Gods. Folks, I'm telling you right now, game changer. No-till people out there. It's about time to up your game to a next level. You know, people that use rainwater. You want to make that rainwater potent? You want to turn it into magic rainwater? Stick around. A lot's going to be coming throughout the year here, folks. But for right now, this is going to be going out to one of my lucky viewers. Need you to go over there, subscribe, like, comment down there in this block. And guess what? One of you is winning this for Independence Day. Free of charge, no cost to you. And you can become #bonegrown, Nectar For The Gods person. This is Harold with Papa Bear Peppers. We'll talk to you soon. Keep growing. Have a great safe 4th of July, Independence Day.